recognize this as being part of the pattern that's up here, and we just need to figure out what was cubed to get w cubed and 64. So I think it makes sense to have w plus 4 be the first thing to write down, since if I were to cube w, I'd have w cubed. If I were to cube 4, I'd get 64. And then the way we should read this pattern is more like, whatever I'm going to put here is this thing squared. That's what this says. It says whatever you put here should be this thing squared. So since this is w, that'll be w squared. Then we got a minus sign here, and it's going to be the product of these two things. That's what this says. So if I multiply those together, that's 4w. And then finally, that's going to be that last thing squared, this thing squared. So plus 16. And if you have any doubts about this, you always could take the time to multiply w by each of these things and 4 by each of these things. But as long as this is the square of this, as long as this is the square of this, and then this guy is these guys multiplied together, then you are following that pattern and you are doing it correctly.